Welcome back, guys. So the unbelievable has finally happened. The TCheck has arrived. And to be pretty honest with you, they sent me an email about 3 weeks ago telling me my device would be shipped out on or before the 28th. But I have seen a lot of progression with their shipping and all that, so even if it wasn't shipped out tomorrow, I wasn't going to give them a bunch of shit, because I definitely see they are shipping the products. But it's the 27th, and it's here. So let's check this damn thing out. And I haven't even looked at it yet, so let's do this. So, here it is, right out of the package. I got the blue one, obviously. Got some description on the back. Handheld cannabis tester. App-based potency tester that gives you an instant measurement results. Using just a few drops of coconut oil, butter, olive oil, or alcohol, you can accurately measure the strength of your infusion in less than 60 seconds. It says in 3 easy steps, TCheck 2 gives you the ability to test your infusions, save your desired dose, and take comfort knowing your edibles are consistent, which, we are all trying to do here. The last thing I want to do is make something, spend all this time, and not really sure it's even going to do anything, if I put too much in there, or you want to know. It says this handheld device pairs with your phone so you can test it anywhere. You can bring it to the dispensary to test purchases, or keep it in your kitchen for baking. Badass. And number 3, knowing the strength allows you to control the dose to fit your exact wants and needs. Why worry when you can know exactly what you have? Badass. So, let's open it up, and let's check this bitch out. Alright, here we go. It's the moment of truth. I have been waiting a long ass time to do this, so let's do it. And right off the bat, that's fucking cool. Really cool. It's a personally signed card by each person that works there, thanking me for waiting. Fucking awesome. That's really cool. But it's definitely the thought that counts. You can definitely tell that, they feel some sort of way that they made people wait. But, they made it right. I got my device. If you're waiting, you're going to get your device. I know it's been a bitch, but it's worth it. So, and here we are. Our TCheck 2. Pretty sweet. Feels pretty good. It definitely feels like you don't want to drop this thing. It's pretty hollow, but it doesn't mean it's not sturdy. So right on the back, it's got a battery pack, and you just put regular batteries in there, which is convenient. But let's see how long batteries last in there. So that's the device. So here we have what looks like a dropper. Oh, it is a dropper. So we got a dropper. And you have, I'm pretty sure it's one tray. And we have our tray, which has turned out to be the most important part of this device, is your tray. So, when you're done using your TCheck, when you're done checking your infusions, you really want to take great care of this tray. This is the main thing. This obviously is a huge importance, but the tray is what really gives it the reading. If the light can't see through the tray correctly, you're gonna get a fucked up reading. So you gotta really make sure this is looking good. So like a good company does, they gave you some batteries to try out, so you don't have to go through a bunch of shit to try it out. And last, we have 2 cards. It says, ready to start testing with lab-grade accuracy. It says, download the TCheck 2 mobile app. Tells you how to pair it, and basically how to use it. It says, place 2 drops in the tray well. Place 2 drops in the tray well. Close tray and insert into device. Pretty cool. And right here they have a little diagram showing you how to do it and not mess up. Oh, not the glare's messing it up, but it's basically telling you when you fill the tray, you really want to have no bubbles. Bubbles are the main enemy when you're filling it. And that's what most people have said when I've seen them writing that, yo, this thing does work. You just got to make sure there's no bubbles. So here it is, TCheck 2. It's finally here. This thing is not a scam. They're not bullshitting. And it exists. Buy it. So later this weekend, we're going to give it a shot. See how the test works and see if it's actually accurate. And we'll give it an honest review, and hopefully it's a good one. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like me on Instagram at the NJ Chef. And if you like this review and me showing you cool new products, hit that subscribe button, man. It helps me out greatly. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Smoke on.